In primetime news this evening, a PNP presidential race heats up.
And opposition calls for heads to roll over government's handling of alleged mistreatment of 5 Jamaican fishermen.
And a new report points to child sex tourism in resort areas.
Now, good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top sporting stories of the day, and Karen Madden has our preview. Karen?
Well, Janella, we'll all remember the debacle that ensued last evening at the National Stadium. Well, one very outspoken coach is not pulling any punches.
Archie, you forgot to try to speak French.
Oh, no, I'm not. No attempts to speak French to Karen today. I don't know what she learned over there in France. But we are going to be telling you a little later on. We will have the business day. But for the moment, let's tell you what our feedback question it is.
Our feedback question tonight is...
what's your reaction to the latest report showing tourists having sex with children becoming a major problem in resort areas?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after these messages.